Tired of paying someone else to do what you can master yourself? Let's conquer your income taxes together, one simple step at a time. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers, 1099 forms for freelance income, any investment statements, and receipts for potential deductions like medical expenses or education costs. Next, choose your filing method. You can use the IRS Free File program if you qualify, or opt for reputable tax software. Many free and paid options are available, guiding you through every question. Now, let's dive into filling out the actual return. You'll start with Form 1040, the U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. This is where you'll report your income from all sources. Crucially, this is where you'll claim deductions and credits to lower your taxable income. Think about deductions like student loan interest, qualified education expenses, or even business expenses if you're self-employed. Don't forget credits, such as the child tax credit or education credits, which directly reduce your tax liability. As you enter your information into the software, it will prompt you to input details from those forms you gathered earlier. It will automatically calculate your tax liability based on your income, deductions, and credits. Carefully review your entire return for accuracy. Double-check all numbers and personal information. Most software will perform a final review to catch common errors. Finally, file your return electronically. This is the fastest and most secure way to submit your taxes. If you owe money, you'll have options to pay online. If you're due a refund, you can typically get it via direct deposit. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your own income taxes. Empowering yourself with this knowledge saves money and gives you control over your finances. Keep these tips handy for next year.